what you see here and what you see here is pretty much the same, because these are now 50 cents a round. So would we load mags any different if we were loading 50-cent pieces into the mags? and hey, you want to talk these, I mean, hell, by the time you pay tax, you're talking 50, 60, 65 cents. Hell, 300 blackout. Well, shit, there's a dollar. $2 a round. But I don't shoot 300 blackout.
That first shot? Yep. That first shot hit right here. And then the second one was right.
All right. Let's do the old Maxim defense.
Why don't you start out with the... Yeah, that was you.
Nasty Magnum. The 20 rounder.
Yep. Yeah, this one here.
I gotta get like way over here. It's weird being against the wall. It's weird being against the wall. Because I want to be over here, but I gotta be here.
So the way you clear it, look in the...
I think I was a little bit right on that one.
You can.
That was a little better.
On the safety side. Yes. When you're pulling the trigger on while it's on stage, make sure this, you see this little black here?
Attention all shooters, the range will be closing in 5 minutes. Or repeat, the range will be closing in 5 minutes.
Oh, that's too much time.
It's on safe. So make sure, that's how you know the gun's going to
I think these are the
So like if you're pulling the trigger on safety and this doesn't move.
55 grain thing. I see them going all 20 rounders because they're cheap. Well, not cheap, but cheaper. Cheaper, not cheap. That was slow. That was slow. Maybe we could try doing a little.
I think it might just be replacement.
Doing a little feather.
Yeah.
I couldn't do it. Couldn't get it feathered.
Keep going.
Let's go with the old. .45 ACP, you know, God's round. There's only 9 rounds. Try the little hot pink mag. She sure is pretty. That's a Dura mag. A little better. Yeah. That was a little better. What do I got? I got one left. And got no Oh, it's the Pro Mag. Got you.
Al, touchdown. You got 2 minutes. 2 minutes, Al. 2 minutes.
2-minute warning. 2-minute warning. Oh, no. No. I don't know what happened. Pro mag caused a failure. Fucking Pro mag. Well, see, that's the first failure out of the Pro mag. No. I told you I don't like them damn Pro mags, but it's all they had in stock. Oh look, 7.62 got in there. All right, last mag dump of the night. Make her count. That sucks. All right, I'm good. That was quick.